Hello guys, I welcome you all to my channel that is Medios. Here I'll be posting videos related to medical science. So basically if you do like my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and do like my videos also. And do not forget to share it also, yeah. So the topic for today would be abdominal aorta and celiac trunk. So it is in itself is a very confusing topic, but I would try to make it as simple as possible for you guys. So come, let's start. So first topic would be abdominal aorta. So the first thing that we need to know about abdominal aorta is abdominal aorta, it runs from T12 to L4 vertebra. L4 vertebra. And there are basically three types of branches that we would be seeing in the successive sections. So come first we'll see the diagram of abdominal aorta, then I'll tell you the branches of it. So imagine this is a rough diagram of abdominal aorta. A very bad one, I know, but do bear with me. This is the termination of abdominal aorta. So abdominal aorta, the first thing, it runs from T12 to L4, where it divides. Okay, and the branches of abdominal aorta is basically divided into three types of branches that I have already told you. The first type of branches would be ventral branches. We would see what all branches come from the ventral part. Second is the lateral branches, and last is the dorsal branches. So what all branches come from the ventral part of the abdominal aorta is first is celiac trunk, second is superior mesenteric artery, and third is inferior mesenteric artery. Okay, lateral branches are further classified as inferior phrenic arteries first, second is middle suprarenal artery, third is renal artery, and fourth gonadal arteries. And last, dorsal branches are divided as lumbar arteries, that is 4 pairs of lumbar arteries are there, and one single median sacral artery. Okay, so we'll come to this confusing table later also. First we'll see the branches. So first of all is the celiac trunk, superior mesenteric artery, inferior mesenteric artery, that is the ventral branches. So celiac trunk here, this is the celiac trunk. Okay, imagine this is the superior mesenteric artery and this is the inferior mesenteric artery. So I'll just write it as CT, celiac trunk, superior mesenteric artery and inferior mesenteric artery. Okay, so celiac trunk, one thing that we need to remember is that celiac trunk is given at the lower border of T12 vertebra. Superior mesenteric artery is given at lower border of L1 vertebra, and this inferior mesenteric artery is given at the body of L3 vertebra. The first two are at the lower border of T12 and L1 vertebra respectively, and inferior mesenteric artery is at the body of L3 vertebra. So these are the ventral branches. Now coming on to the lateral branches. Okay, the lateral branches would be, first of all, it would be inferior phrenic arteries. Second would be middle suprarenal artery. Okay, the middle suprarenal artery, and remember this would be present on the both sides. I'm not taking on this side because I have written the branches here, but yeah, this is the middle suprarenal, and this one is the renal artery. Okay, after that Renal artery would be present on this side also. Yeah, renal artery. And last one is the gonadal arteries. Don't get confused, okay? This side, because SMA and renal artery, because they are at the same level, that is why I have drawn at the same level. Don't get confused, because I have like marked SMA here. So renal artery, I'll mark it on the other side, renal artery. Okay, this is the gonadal artery. I'll mark it some different color. So gonadal arteries. This is the renal artery, I have already told you. This is the middle suprarenal. This is inferior phrenic. Okay, clear? Now coming on to the dorsal branches. Dorsal branches we won't be able to show you on this diagram because this is the ventral aspect of this abdominal aorta. So but I have already told you that dorsal branches are divided into lumbar arteries. Excuse me. Lumbar arteries, that is 4 pairs, and there is one single median sacral artery. Remember, it is median, not medial. Median, M-N-N. Okay, not L. So we have seen that there are branches. These are the branches of abdominal aorta. We'll see once more in the table. Celiac trunk here. Celiac trunk. This is the celiac trunk. Second is the superior mesenteric artery. This is the superior mesenteric artery. Okay, and third is the inferior mesenteric artery. This one is the inferior mesenteric artery, given at the level of lower border of T12. Lower border, this is given at the level of lower border of T12. This is SMA is given at the lower border of L1, and IMA is given at the lower border of body of L3. Okay, lateral branches I've already told you. It is inferior phrenic artery, middle suprarenal artery, renal artery, and gonadal arteries. And dorsal branches are lumbar arteries, that is 4 pairs, one median sacral artery. Okay.